In today's fast-paced motorcycle world, it is incredibly easy to fall into the trap of believing that newer always means better. We are constantly bombarded with marketing for bikes with more horsepower, more complex electronics, more riding modes and touchscreens that look like they were pulled out of a luxury car. But if you talk to veteran riders, the ones who have spent decades in the saddle, they will tell you a different story. They'll tell you that sometimes the motorcycles that leave the deepest impression aren't the ones with the most gadgets. They are the ones that simply make every ride feel effortless. They are the machines that don't demand your attention with flashing lights, but instead allow you to focus on the horizon. That is exactly why the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic LT continues to attract a loyal following around the globe. It doesn't care about performance records. It isn't trying to outrun a sport bike or compete with $30,000 touring giants. Instead, it focuses on the pillars of the cruiser experience: all-day comfort, bulletproof reliability, timeless American styling, and the simple, pure joy of riding. After all these years, does this mid-size legend still deserve a spot in your garage? Let's find out. One look at the Vulcan 900 Classic LT, and it's easy to see why Kawasaki hasn't radically changed this design in years. It's a masterclass in the long and low cruiser aesthetic. The first thing that grabs you is the silhouette. You have those full-length valenced fenders, a direct nod to the classic cruisers of the 1940s and 50s. The generous chrome accents on the engine, exhaust, and headlight bucket catch the sun perfectly. But as the LT or luxury touring model, this bike comes dressed for the journey right from the factory. The genuine leather saddlebags are reinforced to hold their shape and provide that classic texture. The tall touring windshield stands as a guardian against the elements. The large teardrop fuel tank flows beautifully into a low-profile seat, while the spoked wheels give the bike an unmistakable American presence. Whether it's parked outside a small-town diner or cruising through a national park, the Vulcan 900 looks like it belongs. It doesn't look like a modern bike trying to be retro. It looks like a timeless machine that never went out of style. At the heart of this machine lies Kawasaki's well-proven 903cc liquid-cooled 52-degree V-twin. Now, let's be honest about the numbers. Approximately 50 horsepower and 78 newton-meters of torque. If you're coming from the world of sport bikes, those numbers might seem modest. But a cruiser isn't about peak horsepower. It's about torque delivery. This engine is tuned to deliver its best work exactly where you spend 90% of your time, in the low to mid-range. Twist the throttle, and the Vulcan responds with a smooth, confident surge. The electronic fuel injection ensures the throttle response is crisp and predictable, whether you're starting on a cold morning or riding at high altitude. One of the best things about this engine is how relaxed it feels. Because it's a counterbalanced V-twin, the vibration is kept to a minimum. When you're cruising at 65 or 70 miles per hour, the engine isn't screaming, it's humming. It encourages you to settle into a rhythm, enjoy the V-twin rumble, and actually take in the scenery rather than rushing past it. If there is one word that defines the Vulcan 900 Classic LT, it's comfort. This bike was built to be a distance destroyer. The seat height is a remarkably low 680 millimeters, or about 26.8 inches. This makes it one of the most approachable bikes for riders of all sizes. Being able to easily plant both feet on the ground provides a huge amount of confidence, especially when the bike is fully loaded with luggage. Then you have the floorboards. Unlike foot pegs, floorboards allow you to move your feet around during a long ride, which drastically reduces leg fatigue. The riding position is natural, upright, with a slight reach to those wide, comfortable handlebars. And we can't forget the passenger. Kawasaki includes a comfortable rear seat and a tall backrest as standard. When you combine that with the tall windshield that moves the air over the rider's head, you have a motorcycle that you and a partner can ride for 6 hours and still feel like heading out for dinner afterward. On the road, the Vulcan 900 Classic LT is all about stability. Its high-tensile steel double-cradle frame and long wheelbase make it track straight and true on the highway, even in crosswinds. The 41mm telescopic front fork and preload adjustable twin rear shocks are tuned for a plush ride. They soak up the small bumps in the road, making the highway feel like glass. And despite weighing in at nearly 300 kilograms wet, the bike is surprisingly balanced. The weight is kept very low, which makes low-speed U-turns and parking lot maneuvers far less intimidating than they would be on a taller bike. In terms of technology, Kawasaki keeps it simple and reliable. You won't find 6-axis IMUs or wheelie control here. What you will find is a low-maintenance belt final drive. Belts are quiet, clean, and last a long time without the constant cleaning and tensioning required by a chain. You also get a heel-toe shifter, allowing you to click through the 5-speed gearbox without scuffing your favorite boots. It's technology serving the rider, not distracting them. Let's look at the hard data for the 2026 Vulcan 900 Classic LT engine, 903 cc liquid-cooled V-twin SOHC. Performance: approximately 50 HP and 78 Nm of torque. Transmission: 5-speed manual with belt final drive. Fuel capacity: a massive 20-liter tank. With an average of 5.5 L, 100 kilometers, you're looking at a range of well over 300 kilometers. Weight: 298 kilograms, curb weight. Brakes: 300 millimeters front disc, 270 millimeters rear disc. ABS available. Tires: 16-inch spoked wheels with wide cruiser rubber. Ownership is where the Vulcan really shines. It has earned a reputation for being nearly indestructible. With regular oil changes and basic maintenance, these engines have been known to clock tens of thousands of miles with ease. It's an affordable bike to buy, an affordable bike to insure, and because it's so simple, it's an affordable bike to keep on the road for a decade or more. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic LT is a reminder that we don't always need a revolution to have a great ride. Sometimes, an evolution is enough. It isn't trying to be the most advanced motorcycle on the planet. It's trying to be the most enjoyable mid-size cruiser on the market. It offers the look of a heavyweight tourer with the manageable weight and price of a mid-size bike. It's for the rider who wants to escape the noise of the modern world. It's for the couple who wants to explore the backroads on a Saturday morning. And it's for anyone who believes that the best stories aren't written in a specification sheet, but in the miles traveled and the memories made. If you value comfort, reliability, and that classic V-twin soul, the Vulcan 900 Classic LT isn't just a motorcycle, it's an invitation to the open road. Let us know in the comments, does simplicity still win over technology for you? We'll see you on the next ride.